California, the likely voter doesn't reflect the diversity of the state. Low-income communities, people of color, immigrants, young people, oftentimes don't vote, and therefore their voice is not heard. We're talking 10 to 11 million people who either are eligible but not registered voters, or who are registered but don't vote.
We made some decisions around how exactly that move is going to look. Now we have to look at what it's actually going to take, and there's three pieces
we built California Calls to work on increasing civic participation of low-income communities of color.
So this is going to be the team with Jess on how...
Right now, it's an alliance of 31 organizations from around the state that work on economic justice issues, or health issues, or education issues, and to be able to bring them together around a common agenda. That's how we have the power to impact a state as big as California.
And we wanted to get your opinion on a couple of quick questions that would take us.
Typically, community-based organizations have pretty small capacity. In the course of their normal work, they may talk to hundreds of people. To have an impact on an election, you need to be able to talk to thousands of people.
Do you support having access to quality health care?
Through our training, utilizing technology, and also strategy, we increase the capacity of these local organizations to reach more people.
Regardless of their employment status?
How you doing today, sir? Hi, my name is LaDamian Flowers. I'm a community organizer with the Safe Return Project.
We don't see civic engagement as just voting. We want people to see as part of their civic duty to be involved in their community.
Yeah, we got some lovely folks.
And so we look for leaders who have that kind of civic spirit.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. I started as a volunteer at Inner City Struggle. Because of the leadership development that California Calls has provided, now I am running the whole program. Okay? Working with young students and parents. That wasn't enough to make sure that we had quality education here locally. So we connected and created a coalition with California Calls.
Hola, compañeros.
We won one battle. We have money for education, but the work never stops.
So I think they'll be more open.
In the communities that California Calls is working, we can see that we are increasing people's motivation and turning out. The beauty of it is that people can see the result in their daily lives.
Volunteer signature gathering has to be huge.
The successes that we have had would have been impossible without California Calls. Having everybody in the state work on the same issues at the same time, this has really created a very strong social force.
Hello, can I speak to Ms. Roberts?
We are actually canvassing and talking to voters throughout the year because it's not so much about elections as it is about informing the voters about the issues that affect them.
People are choosing our future, and if we don't exercise our voting rights and educate our community, we will never see the benefits.
It's not just about voting, it's really about what's an agenda that can improve the lives of people in the communities that we work. And maybe you can't do anything by yourself, but combined with other people in your neighborhoods and other neighborhoods in LA County and other counties in California, that's what makes a difference.